Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on GBP and ZD? Let's make a full breakdown. So starting from the monthly time frame, it's pretty clear that the market has created this very big M formation here from a monthly perspective. And after this M formation, what did we say? We said we want to see the market give us a move to the upside, which is exactly what the market has now done. Going down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? Now, on the weekly, if you remember, what did we say in our previous analysis? We said that clearly we had this structured level here that we at least expected the market to hit. Now, as you can see, the market has not only hit the level, but it has actually exceeded it and broken the structure to the upside. So definitely even better than what we actually wanted to see. Going down on the daily time frame, what do we have? On the daily, we wanted to see the market basically create this inverted head and shoulders, but the market did even better. The market created this M formation, going to hunt all the stop losses that were below this low, and then started the move to the upside. So definitely creating a quite strong move to the upside. And if you capitalized on this move to the upside, absolutely great job. But what is next? Where is the next opportunity for this pair? Now, as we can see, in creating this move to the upside, the market has also created this overextended W formation. Now, after an overextended W formation, what do you want to see? You want to see the market give you a retracement at least to the 0.382 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse. So in this case, taking our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse, we can see that the 0.382 is here. So we expect the market at least to give us a retracement to the 0.382 before the possible continuation to the upside. If we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, what the biggest banks and institutions are currently doing on the pound and on the NZD, what we can see. From a pound point of view, we can see that institutions with the last report have aggressively been selling the pound. In fact, they closed 6.9k longs and added an extra 3.4k shorts, bringing the short exposure at 36.2%, with 64k shorts and 39k long positions. So definitely the pound is getting quite weak. So we're seeing some profit taking on this move to the upside from an institutional perspective. And if we go and see what the biggest banks and institutions are doing on the NZD, we can see that on the NZD, we have seen NZD getting stronger. However, with the last reports, we can see that there has been as well some profit taking and some adding of shorts. But overall, the situation is pretty clear. We went from minus 20k to 2.4k net positions, and we can definitely expect the NZD to get even stronger and GBP NZD to actually give us the retracement. Now, as usual, just because we want to see the market give us the move to the downside doesn't mean that we can immediately short. Obviously not. We have to see proper confirmations. And as usual, monthly, weekly, and daily are the best time frames for the direction of the market combined with the COT data. But the best time frame for the entry is the 4 hours. And if we basically go and see what we have from a 4-hour perspective, what we can see that on the 4 hours at the moment, everything is still bullish. The market is just creating higher highs and higher lows without any sign of weakness. So can we be looking for any short yet? Obviously not. So what do we have to do and what we will be doing with students? We will be monitoring price action on the 4-hour time frame, all inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from a bullish to a bearish market. And as soon as the market will shift from a bullish to a bearish market, we will add GBP NZD on watch list with students. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice short with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the downside and completion of the overextended W formation at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement taken on the impulse. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.